The cryosphere is a term for all the frozen parts of Earth, including glaciers and ice sheets. About 10% of Earth's land is covered by these frozen areas. They are connected to our climate system through global exchange of water, energy, and carbon. Due to anthropogenic greenhouse gases and global warming, the cryosphere is changing. We are witnessing the melting of glaciers, reduced snow cover, and shrinking ice sheets. Both polar oceans are getting warmer. Arctic sea ice is decreasing year-round, with the most significant reduction happening in September, and the Antarctic sea ice loss is unprecedented. In September 2020, ice volume in the Arctic Ocean was just 1/4 of what it was in 1979. And Arctic will likely have no sea ice in September by the 2040s. The loss of ice in polar regions might be something we can't resolve for a very long time. Sea levels are rising because of this ice loss, and it's happening at an increasing pace now. And there's no need to travel beyond the polar circles to observe these changes. The retreat of Himalayan glaciers could result in severe water shortages, impacting approximately 50 million people residing in the region. Additionally, more than 15 million people worldwide face flood risks due to glacier melt. Another example could be found in United States national parks. For example, Glacier National Park, when it was established in 1910, it had about 150 glaciers. There are only 30 glaciers left today, and most, if not all, of the park's glaciers will likely vanish during this century. The shrinking cryosphere has caused many problems since the 1950s, including food security, water quality, health, and economic issues, especially for indigenous people. We are trying to respond to challenges in these fragile regions, but we need to act faster and more effectively to protect our societies and our planet's future. Thank you.